First female senator marks history for the state of Kosrae. Kosrae, Federated States of Micronesia, FSM, on 8 November 2022, voters in the Tafunsak municipality elected Ms. Ruthsina R. Jonah as the first woman senator in the Kosrae State Legislature.
Well, my name is Ruthsina R. Jonah. I'm a new senator in Kosrae, and I believe I'm the first lady that has been selected to be one of the members of the 13 Kosrae State Legislature. And I'm very proud that I'm part of this 13 State Legislature. Okay? One main thing. We are women, but still we still have to stay under the men of our island. But doing the job, women and men can do it the same. Become a leader of the island, but still work under the men. That's the goal.
It caught the state by surprise, as many believed that the likelihood of a woman being elected in the near future was small. The female dominance of Kosrae's politics is in contrast to cultural status of women on the island. With Kosrae's patriarchal ideology embedded into the livelihood of its cultural structures, it curtailed women's political advancement in Kosrae and discouraged women from participating in the decision-making process. Above all odds, Honorable Senator Ruthsina R. Jonah is now serving in the 13th Kosrae State Legislature.